Hi guys, the tree spinach chaya is a green leafy vegetable that is a spinach substitute. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple recipe how I prepare my chaya spinach. Stay tuned for more. So what I have here are some young chaya leaves. I think the last time I had used some older leaves and it didn't come out good. So I decided to pick those young, nice soft leaves. Yeah. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to wash these leaves. Yeah, so welcome to our channel, Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs. And I am Bucky. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Yeah, so I have my pot here. This is the one I'm gonna use. So we're placing our chaya leaves in the pot and then we add sufficient water. So our stove is lit already. We'll place our pot on medium heat and boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the stove. Let's remove our cooked chaya spinach from the water. We make sure that it's properly drained and allow it to cool. Please don't throw away this leftover water. It's a tea that is very healthy. So I have my minced garlic, my onion, I cut it up, and then even a small tomato that I cut up. So we'll start by placing our pot on low heat and then we add 1 tablespoon olive oil. And then so we saute it in our olive oil on low heat. Add a little salt to your taste and then stir it up. So now we're gonna add the star of the show, which is our chaya spinach. And then we will stir it up. Oh, and then we're gonna add some black peppercorns. Yep. Stir it up a little bit more. Remember, it's already cooked, so it doesn't have to stay long in the pot. Then I like to squeeze a little drops of lemon, not much, just a little bit. I like to do that with my greens. Sometimes. It all depends what greens I'm cooking. Yes, so you stir it up a little. And it's now ready. I mean, I added a lot of onions and tomatoes as well. I'm a fan. But if you don't want to, you don't have to put even tomatoes. You could just put a little bit of minced garlic and onions, or even just a little bit of minced garlic. You know, it's all what you want. The spinach has shrunk, so I have to scrape out everything. So guys, thank you to all my wonderful subscribers, and please consider subscribing to my channel. So there you go guys, my chaya spinach recipe, delicious. And this is the tea, also delicious. I squeezed a little bit of lime. So these are the uses of chaya. Thank you so much for watching and always coming back to watch my videos. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.